Well, good morning, guys. So today we're going to draw something pretty simple. We're going to draw an orchid. It's my wife's favorite flower, and today we'll draw in particular Phalaenopsis. Alright, so let's just get started here with the middle center section of the orchid with a couple curved lines like so, and kind of come in from those corners and say, let's just go make like a little curved line inside. Almost looks like a Batman symbol, and just put in a couple lines inside here. And then let's draw the leaf over here. So we're gonna go up from here and then curve down and then out to here. So let's just go curve up, out, and then start curving back in. And we'll do the same thing pretty much down here. Come down, come up, and then back to the center. So let's just continue this line down, over, and back. Okay, next thing we're gonna do the other side. We're gonna start here, come out, and here. So I'm kind of looking at this at the same time, just so it's sort of symmetrical. Out here, come down to about the same level as the other leaf or petal, and that's it. So let's draw a wrinkle line that's in the center coming out. Just go out and do the same on the other side. Okay, so now these petals actually come in, so let's just continue that down. Okay, and then underneath here there's another part that comes out actually, so let's just do a U-shaped line right underneath, and we're gonna extend it up just a touch and then curve it down and up, curve it down and up, and a couple extra lines down there. All right, and that's pretty much it for those petals. All right, so now it's got an upper petal up here, so we're just gonna draw a curved line from one petal to the other, just like that. And then there are these two petals that come down here, so coming from here up to about here and then up. So let's start here actually, come down, curve it in, and then up towards the center. And we'll do the same on this side, so it'll reach out to about here where my finger is. So let's go from the center this time, come out to my finger and then back up. All right, let's put in a line in the middle there. Okay, that's pretty much it for that one flower. Let's do the same down here. It's going to be behind, so the reason I drew that first is because some of the petals on this other flower is going to be behind that. So again, let's start at the center here by drawing a curved line, and then one on the other side, just like that. Okay, and then come down again towards the center like that, and just make some curved lines here in the middle. It's really hard to figure out sometimes what's going on inside there, but anyway, so let's draw this bottom part. Again, we'll do a U-shaped line, come back up like so. All right, okay, now we're gonna draw the one petal again, starting from the center, going out, up, up, and then off to the side, back down, and then come back towards the middle. Okay, and we'll do the same on this side. Okay, this is where the one petal will actually hide behind that flower. All right, so then we'll do this right petal here, and this one is actually a bit bigger than that one. The newer flowers will well, let's see, the main plant's down here. There's a stem that comes up, and each new flower that grows is new, so it's smaller, and as it goes further they become smaller. So let's draw a line here in the middle, just like that. Alright, so now let's just go ahead and draw a stem that comes down here. So just draw a curved line here, kind of skinny, just like that. And actually, let me bring this down a bit so you can see that better. Alright, so from here we're going to come out, and then it's going to start curving it this way. Okay, so come up, and then it's going to curve down, and then on the other side, let's go up, corner, then go past this line out to here. And the farther you get away from the base of the plant, the thinner these stems are going to be. Alright, right here we're going to have an offshoot. So step in a little bit from the end of this line and start this curved line, and then a parallel line next to it, and then we'll continue this branch here like that. Alright, so right here it's going to be a bud that hasn't opened yet, so we're just going to draw a tear shape right here, coming down to a point, come out, looks like a bulb, upside down bulb, and then draw a couple curved lines, kind of headed towards the tip. Alright, so over here, again, just like here, it's going to branch down, and then down again. So right here, again, we're going to draw a smaller bud, and again those lines, and then let's draw its little stem here, and then from here comes out, and let's just draw an indication of a small stem there, and then this one again branches up, and draw the parallel lines, and then here just a small indication of another flower that's going to open down the road here. So let's continue this line this way and meet those two together. So from here there'll be another branch that comes out, so let's make it curved, curving up and down, up and down, and again we'll draw a little bud here with those lines. Okay, so for every one of these corners there's usually like an offshoot right here, here, here. Here you can't see the curve here, but here there is one, so we're gonna draw another stem that comes out from there, and then here we'll draw like a flower that's just about, well, that's starting to open. So let's just draw a curved line this way, upper part of the petal, and then another one underneath going over, and a line there, and then up here let's draw a curve up there and then back to that line, and then another petal going this way behind, just like that. Okay, let's see, let's go ahead and draw the upper petal here, which I almost forgot about, and then right here, and then there's one right back here, so let's do that, and that line. Okay, that should pretty much be it. There's a simple drawing for you. Shouldn't be too bad. I hope you enjoyed that and have a great day. Thank you.